Here's how you can add contact information found right down here on your Galaxy A16 smartphone. So you should put like an email address or another number here that someone can contact you in if ever you lose your phone. I'll show you where to go to find this feature. Let's do it. Once you're on the home screen area, use your quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right there. From here on, go down the list of all the main settings found on your A16 phone, and you're looking for lock screen right there. Once you're here now, you'll see the part that says contact information. So as you tap on it, this is going to pop up, and whatever you type in here is what's going to show up on the lock screen. Now for me, on my part here, I'm just going to say subscribe, but you will put either a number that's not your phone number or some kind of address or email that someone can reach out to you in case they find your phone and they are kind enough to reach out to you and give you back your phone. But of course, once you press done here, that's the info that's going to show up. And now on your lock screen, if somebody finds your phone, they're going to see that address or number here to contact you, like and so.